Morning, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. I want to talk to you about the importance of proper diagnostics, live data diagnostic. So the owner of this car, unfortunately, has had no end of issues with DPF over the last, 18 months. And he's been to various different garages who've allegedly told him they've done regens on this and that they've done DPF Cleans on this. It's not regenerated for the last 5,866 kilometres. That DPF is well and truly solidly blocked. The underlying issue on this one is thermostats. It's a 2008 BMW 325D, 116,000 on the clock, and it's running very cold. It's running between 68 and 74 degrees, nowhere near warm enough to regenerate that DPF. So DPF Cleans, any kind of regeneration on a vehicle that's running cold, waste of money. Absolute waste of money until you resolve the underlying issue and get that resolved first. The issue with this is thermostats, so it needs 2 new thermostats and then needs to get that DPF flushed out. It's a shame because that money that he has paid to get that other stuff done in the past, it's just waste because it's just blocked straight back up again. So you've got to get the underlying faults fixed first. Hopefully you can get those thermostats done now and get this running back to its best.